Let's talk speed. In 2026, the world of performance cars is being redefined before our eyes. The very idea of what makes a car fast and powerful is shifting, and it's happening faster than anyone could have predicted. For decades, power meant noise, roaring engines and screaming turbos. The louder the car, the more thrilling it felt. Muscle cars and supercars were all about the sound and fury. Now the fastest cars are the quietest. Electric vehicles have flipped the script, delivering mind-bending speed with barely a whisper. Electric cars launch with a silent rush, redefining performance. The sensation is surreal, no gears shifting, no engine revving, just pure uninterrupted acceleration. Family sedans and SUVs now out-accelerate supercars from a decade ago. Everyday vehicles deliver performance that was once reserved for the racetrack. The secret? Instant torque from electric motors. Power the moment you press the pedal. There's no waiting, no lag, just immediate response. It's like flipping a light switch, no delay, just go. The connection between driver and machine feels almost telepathic. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds is now common, not just for million-dollar cars. Even affordable models can deliver breathtaking acceleration. This performance isn't just for show, it makes daily driving safer and more confident. Quick acceleration means you can merge, pass, and react with ease. Passing, merging, and city driving all feel effortless. The power is always there when you need it, making every trip smoother and less stressful. The power is smooth, controlled, and always available. You glide through traffic, barely noticing the effort, and it's guilt-free. No tailpipe emissions, no fossil fuels. Every drive is cleaner, helping the planet while you enjoy the ride. Performance and responsibility now go hand in hand. You don't have to choose between excitement and sustainability. You get the thrill of a supercar with the footprint of a bicycle. It's a revolution in how we think about speed and impact. That's the magic of modern EVs. They're not just fast, they're smart, efficient, and designed for everyone. The performance revolution is for everyone. No matter your lifestyle or needs, there's an electric car that delivers both speed and practicality. Electric cars have changed what speed means. It's not just about going fast, it's about how you get there and what you leave behind. Fast, clean, and accessible. That's the new standard. The future of driving is here, and it's electrifying. Welcome to the era of silent power, where speed, sustainability, and innovation come together for everyone on the road.